Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today, in this video, we are going to be learning how to block explicit songs on Amazon Music. First of all, launch open a web browser and log in to music.amazon.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Amazon Music account like you normally do. And once you are logged into the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Block Explicit Songs. On the next page, click on Block. Right after you do that, you'll be able to block explicit songs in your Amazon Music account. Blocking explicit songs on Amazon Music is that simple. Now you can enjoy your favorite music without worrying about inappropriate content. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share it with anyone who could use it. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching and happy listening.